And origami originally came from Japan. Origami is seen as art that uses paper, will fall based on step or instruction that has been given. There are many types of origami, which is origami bird, heart, fish, and many more. The simple art of origami may be regarded as for personal enjoyment, but some may say there are deeper meanings to the art. Today, I will demonstrate how to make an origami flying bird and help you save money as well as it is an original way to fold a letter to the loved one too. But first, we will start with the thing that we need to make an origami flying bird. Then the step in folding, and lastly what to do after folding. Each of you will be given one piece of paper to do origami flying birds. Okay, let's everyone get ready with their origami paper. Before we start off with anything, we need to gather all the things in order to form an origami paper. We also can use A4 paper. Furthermore, flat surface also needed to fold the paper of origami. Scissors can also be used to make an origami. After prepare the entire item to make an origami flying bird, I will demonstrate you the step to make it. Now that we have all the things to make an origami, there are 9 steps to do in the folding process. Then we will continue with the steps.
Okay, the 19 steps. First, take a letter size piece of paper. Next, we need fold paper from one corner. Line up the adjacent side. Make or acquire a square piece of paper. To make your square paper, fold a sheet. Fold a sheet of paper so that two adjacent sides align from one corner. Then we cut the extra. Next, fold the paper diagonally in both direction from the same side of the sheet, making two belly folds. After that, turn the paper over mountain side up and fold the paper in half horizontally, then vertically from the other side of the piece of paper. You should now have a piece of paper with alternating valley and mountain fold radiating out from the center. Okay. The next step are bringing the corner together. Bring the corner to the center and pattern everything into a square shape. Next, fold the open edge to the center line. Take care to align the edge with the center line. Repeat for each open edge. Open your last fold you just made and push the push the corner to the inside. Corner inside the main body of your creation along the crease line. Then repeat for each the 4 flap or open edge with corner. if you are already familiar with origami, you could do a bold fold instead of the last 4 steps. But this method gives you cleaner and more precise crease. You should now have roughly kite shape. Next, pull the top point down. Take the top flap of the more accurately point end of the kite and gently pull or fold it down smooth. Repeat with the reverse side. Now your new diamond shape with the split and up. You will now pull a point down and reverse its crease at the same time. Pull down to be inside the main body of your creation. Both points pull down and reverse crease. Repeat last step with the opposite side point. Rotate the bird 180 degrees so that 3 points are point away from you. Take the top flap of the middle point and fold it 45 degree angle to one side. 45 degrees. Be sure that one end of your angle crease begin in the very bottom corner of this flap. Notice that. Okay, then holding the other wing. Figure with wing still pull slightly down from the final position. Turn the figure over and pull the other middle point down to the point in the same direction as the middle point from the other side. After that, pull down the head and reverse increase towards the neck. Lift the wings and curl them slightly. After finish folding the paper, there are a few things that you need to do with your origami paper. You should check if the crease that you make are precise or not. The more precise we make the crease, the better it will look. After that, you can give the origami to the one you love, and you also can give it to your friend. Now you all know about the steps how to make an origami flying bird. Next, let me go to what have to do after folding the paper. So, can you continue?
Yeah. Folding an origami paper is quite simple. Simply gather all the things you need, then fold the paper. Step by step, like fold right top the corner, down to the left, including matching edge, then make an X in crease. And make sure the crease is precise for the better look. Finally, you have known what to do after folding. Today, we have learned how to make an origami flying bird. You should now know briefly the material needed by making an origami flying bird, the step in folding, and what to do after folding. In a conclusion, you know now how to make an origami flying bird. Although make an origami can save money and your time. At the same time, this way maybe can impress or win others' hearts.